In this future music tutorial video, we're going to break down the basics of hip-hop beat programming from two different eras. Classic golden era 90s hip-hop was defined by the use of drums and breakbeats sampled from funk records, usually lifted from vinyl and sequenced via an Akai MPC sampler's pad-based sequencer. This gave the style a crusty groove based around that signature kick and snare boom bap interplay. Here's a basic hip-hop style kick and snare programmed in Ableton Live. You're probably already aware that many DAWs offer preset MPC groove templates to emulate the classic Akai swing and timing. But unique results can be had when programming MIDI notes manually instead. You can adjust note timings to fit your track and go off the grid, and that's what we're going to do here. Hi-hats are often what gives a beat its human feel and groove. Let's draw in some hats, locked to the grid. As expected, it sounds a bit boring and robotic. Let's humanize it a bit by lowering the velocity of some notes. Moving the start of even eighth notes later in time, we'll dial in manual lazy swing. And we can add in some lazy kick notes in too. A bit quieter than the main ones. Moving on, sampled breaks are less common in modern hip-hop, where the Atlanta trap aesthetic now dominates. It's a style based exclusively around a palette of TR-808 drum machine one-shots. Start by drawing in a basic kick pattern, and then placing the snare on the 2 and 4. Alternatively, you can just put a single clap on beat 3 of the bar for a slower half-time rhythm. Aside from the sub-shaking 808 kick and bass boom and this stock clap sound, it's generally the shifting hi-hat pattern that gives current day US hip-hop and trap its signature skittishness. To start, we'll lay down this 8th-note close hat pattern. And then we can drop in rapid 16th and 32nd note trills. Throw in sparse, ghost note 808 snares on even 16ths. And you've got a typical modern hip-hop or trap groove.